Have you ever tried to share a link to your latest YouTube video on Facebook and ended up with an ugly grey box instead of a great, colourful, high-impact thumbnail? I have. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you how to fix that problem. The first thing you'll notice is if you try and create a post with a YouTube link in it before a video has been published, you're going to end up with this ugly grey box and not the fancy high-impact thumbnail that you've created for your video. To solve this problem, we head over to the Facebook developer portal. I'll put the link to that in the description below. We use the sharing debugger tool and we drop the video link into the debug window there. Once we retrieve the information, we can see that it hasn't got the image. So we're now going to say scrape again, and that's going to tell Facebook to go and pull the latest version of information from YouTube about our video. After a few seconds, we get the new thumbnail. Now we can head back over to Facebook again, we can create our post, paste our video link into the window there, and what we should see is that the lovely colourful thumbnail now comes back. Magic. Now if you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button, and if you'd like to see more of my content, you might even consider subscribing to the channel.